Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can access pictures and Messenger. So basically, you just need to turn on your picture or your storage, permission from your mobile. So for this, you can hold on the Messenger's icon over here and click on app info, and then click on permissions over here, and make sure to turn all these permissions on so that your phone allows Messenger to access the storage, and through storage it can access the photos. So that's basically how you access pictures in Messenger. Now let me show you how you can access it. I go on Messenger, I go on a chat, and I want to send a picture. Let's say I can click on this icon over here, and then as you guys can see, I have access to my videos and photos now. So that's basically how you can access picture in Messenger. But somehow if you're not able to access it, you can do this. You can just hold on the Messenger icon, click on app info, and on app info click on storage usage and click on clear data and click on clear. It's going to clear all the cache of your phone, and after clearing the cache, you can go to your permissions again and turn on all the permission, and you should be able to access it. So that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to answer you guys and fix your problem. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.